Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back. Welcome back to the grand finale episode of Stock Market Success Blueprint. So, this is the grand finale, and I am quite excited about this episode. Guys, basically, this is the blueprint. As you already know, we have divided the entire process into 4 steps. So, let's put it all together. What is step one? In step one, we focus on companies with strong financial health, and we use these 3 factors to determine the strength of the financial health. So, as you can see, when we are looking at a stock, first thing we look at is debt to equity ratio, and it should be less than 1. So, that is the first thing. Debt to equity ratio less than 1. Financial leverage less than 4. Interest coverage ratio should be greater than 5. We use these 2 ratios to understand whether the company can meet its long-term obligations or not, and we use this to measure whether the company can meet its short-term obligations or not. So, to put it simply, if the debt to equity ratio is less than 1, financial leverage is less than 4, and interest coverage ratio is greater than 5, then it's a company with strong financial health. That is step 1. Then we move on to step 2. Here we focus on the growth. And when I say growth, we mostly focus on net profit growth and make sure it is volume growth or pricing power. Now, I made a video where we tried to understand the 5 sources of growth. In these 5 sources, volume growth and raising prices is the best type of growth. So, focus on the net profit growth, and consistency of growth is also very important. So, current, last 1 year growth should be higher than or at least around 15%. 3-year average net profit growth should be 15%, and 5-year average growth should also be greater than 15%. So that is what. So consistency matters. We look for high growth, stable companies, right? So we look at high growth, and it should be consistent growth. So current growth, 3-year average growth, 5-year average growth should be above 15%. So that is step 2. Then we move on to step 3, that is high profitability, and we use these 3 metrics to analyze the profitability of the company. Return on assets. So basically, return on assets measures how efficiently a company is utilizing its assets and how much return a company is generating on the assets that is employed in running the business. So return on assets should be greater than 8%. Return on equity, that is return on shareholders' money or return on shareholder funds, should be greater than 15%. And free cash flow to sales, we use free cash flow to sales to know or to understand the cash generating capacity of the company, and it should be above 5%. So that is where we try to understand the profitability of the company. Step 4. Next step is basically favorable price, right? So this is great business or great company. So we buy great businesses or great companies at favorable prices, right? So step 4 is, we buy undervalued stocks. But how to determine that? When you are looking at the buying side, market sentiments and all, I hope you remember, the current PE ratio should be less than 5-year average PE ratio. Current PE less than 5-year average PE, that's when we buy. And when we sell that stock, in my last episode, I already covered the 4 reasons to sell and how to know whether it is overvalued. The current PE ratio is greater than or at least equal to 5-year maximum PE ratio. Don't get confused, guys. Here we are not using average. We are looking at the maximum PE ratio. We look at maximum PE ratio, and when the current PE ratio is equal to or at least closer or greater to 5-year maximum PE ratio, that's when we try to sell the stock. Okay, so this is the entire blueprint. And if you apply this process exactly the way, without compromising on any of these factors, the moment you start compromising, I cannot guarantee you any returns. But if you exactly follow this process without compromising on any of these parameters, then I am promising you, no one can stop you from making money in the stock market. It's a promise from my side. But the point is, this is a manual process, right? This is all manual. You have to compute all these ratios and all. And till now, I have not even revealed how to compute all these ratios. But don't worry, investing ratios mastery, I'm doing this course for you where I'll show you how to compute all these ratios and all. Don't worry about that. But end of the day, it's a manual process, right? Lot of manual work you have to do. You have to collect the information. Like here you can see 3-year average, 5-year average, 5-year average. So you have to collect the data of last 5 years. Balance sheets, income statements, cash flow statements. It is going to be a lot of painful process for you, and it's been a painful process for me as well. Guys, I started investing back in 2013, almost 8-9 years back. I started investing, and when I started, initially when I started investing in stocks and analyzing stocks, it used to take me 1 week to 10 days to analyze one stock. The analysis part was pretty simple, but to collect the data, summarize the data, compute, calculate, value it and all, it used to take me a lot of time. But I have a good news for you. You don't have to go through all this pain. That's what, like I said, I have a surprise for you, right? So you don't have to go through this manual process. I have designed a 100% automated process. 100% automated process where you can generate ideas, analyze its financial health, growth, profitability, economic modes, management, and you can value a stock, determine the entry prices, exit prices. You can do all of this process within 5 minutes. It takes actually 2 to 3 minutes on an average to conduct this in-depth analysis. So all it takes is like on an average 3 to 5 minutes to analyze a stock. I hope you want to know that process, right? And I call it sensible investing process. Okay, let me show you the process. So guys, whatever we have covered so far is a manual process. But you know what? It is very painful to apply this manual process because you have to go and collect the data of last 5 to 10 years. Then you have to compute all these ratios. Then you go and analyze a stock, which is going to be very painful. Trust me, it is going to be very painful. But let me show you a better process which is 100% automated. You don't need any manual work. You don't need to do any manual work. So this is the Excel sheet that I use, which is 100% auto generated. So here you can see. So I am taking Avanti Feeds as an example, as you can see. So these are the 3 parameters we look to analyze the financial health of a company, right? And here all these cells are highlighted in green because I have applied conditional formattings. So its financial health is strong. What is next? Growth analysis. So first we check for consistency of growth. Here you can see it is consistently growing. So as you can see, net profits increased from 3 crores to 358 crores. Next, here we look at growth. As you can see, 3-year average, 5-year average, 7-year average and 10-year average is above 15%. So Avanti Feeds is a high growth stable company. Next is profitability. So what are the 3 parameters we use to analyze the profitability of a company? Return on assets, return on equity and free cash flow to sales. Here you can see return on assets, 10-year average is 18%, return on equity is 30.4%, and you can analyze free cash flow to sales as well with the help of this Excel sheet. What is step 4? Step 4 is basically PE ratio, right? Favorable price. So here you can see historical PE ratios, 3-year average, 5-year average and 10-year average. So this is current PE. So as you can see, current PE is greater than 5-year average PE. So the market sentiments are positive. So the stock is kind of overvalued right now. And with the help of this Excel sheet, I can compute the entry prices and exit prices as well. And the good news is, see, I am not computing all these ratios manually. All these numbers, ratios, conditional formattings, everything is auto generated. So let me show you the process really quick. So we have to visit screener.in/Excel and here click on choose file and we have to upload the customized Excel sheet. So let me upload that file. As you can see, uploading the file. So my Excel sheet is uploaded and you don't need to upload the Excel sheet again and again. We have to upload it only once, and from now on I can gather or I can export the data of any company in India with a click of a button. Let me show you some examples. Let's take Asian Paint as an example. So here you can see export to Excel. If I click on this button, the last 10 years of financial data of Asian Paints will be exported into my Excel sheet. Let me show you. So I export to Excel and as you can see, Asian Paints data is downloading, And let me take some other company. Let's take Pidilite Industries as an example. So export to Excel, and here you can see Pidilite Industries Excel sheet is downloading. So let me open the file. So here you can see this is the financial health analysis of Asian Paints, and financial leverage is less than 4, debt to equity ratio is less than 1, and interest coverage ratio is also very high. So Asian Paints financial health is strong. What about Pidilite Industries? So this is Pidilite Industries. As you can see, even Pidilite Industries financial health is also strong. So you can use this Excel sheet and gather the information of any stock in India with a click of a button, and you can do in-depth analysis of a stock within 3 to 5 minutes. See, but the thing is, this Excel sheet is like a car. See, you cannot drive a car without having driving skills. To drive a car, you should have driving skills. Similarly, to use this tool, you should have the knowledge. You should know the process of how to use this Excel sheet, and how to learn this process. I have a solution for you. So guys, this is the biggest surprise I have installed for you. You can attend my online live webinar. So this is the biggest surprise I have for you, and what you will get by attending this live webinar. First, here you will learn the 7 secrets to identify multi-bagger investments, multi-bagger stocks. So basically you need 7 principles. You have to know these 7 principles to identify multi-bagger stocks. In this webinar, you will learn that, 7 secrets. But that 7 secrets or 7 principles are going to be again manual process, right? It is going to be manual. So along with the manual process, I will show you 100% automated process. How to implement. So it is basically implementation of that knowledge, which will help you to analyze or identify these multi-bagger stocks, analyze them, financial health, profitability, blah, blah, blah. You will be able to do that within 5 minutes, actually less than 5 minutes. And for people who attend this webinar, I have a bonus. I'm offering some bonus products worth 22,000 rupees. Yes, for people who attend this webinar, I am offering them 22,000 rupees of products absolutely for free as a bonus. Now, what are these bonus products? First, 7-day Telegram class. 7-day Telegram class. The worth is 10,000 rupees. The price of this 7-day Telegram class is on value investing. By the way, the course is on value investing. It is 10,000 rupees, but I am offering it for free. Next is financial planning Excel tool. You can, plan your personal finances and all, you can plan your retirement corpus, financial freedom. You can plan your early retirement with the help of this tool. And the price of this tool is 5,000 rupees. But for people who attend the webinar, it is absolutely for free. And last, I am offering 2 ebooks. Ebook number 1 is, Beginner's Guide to Stock Market Investing. 3K, that is 3,000 rupees. And another ebook, Beginner's Guide to financial statement analysis. Beginner's Guide to Financial Statement Analysis, which is 3K. So the ebooks worth of 7K. So you can just 5K plus 10K is 15. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. So these are the bonus products I am offering for people who attend my webinar. And the surprise is, actually this is a paid webinar. This is a paid webinar, but since you are my subscriber, I am assuming that you have already subscribed to my channel. In case if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. Since you are my subscriber, I am offering you this webinar for free. Yes, I am giving you an opportunity to attend this webinar absolutely for free. That is the surprise I have for you. So in the description box below, you will find a link. That is my webinar group link, Telegram group link, where I will basically post the details related to my online webinar. This online webinar mostly happens every week on weekends. It happens, currently it is happening on every Sunday. Just join the group. You will find the link in the description box below. So feel free to join the group if you want to learn my process, the 100% automated process. So guys, this is the grand finale of Stock Market Success Blueprint, and I hope you liked it. Guys, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm assuming that you also enjoyed this. From my side, I thoroughly enjoyed it. And like I said, I am planning a couple of courses going ahead. And the immediate course will be Investing Ratios Mastery. That will be the next immediate course. I'll update you when it is going to come. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, and don't forget to join my Telegram webinar group. So yeah, this is Vishnu Dikonda signing off.